Hi guys! So welcome back to our channel. So let's just have a quick review with this SoundLogic headphones with ANC. So, ayan. So, on the cover, you'll see the active noise cancellation. Adjustable. Yung dito niya is adjustable. With built-in microphone, soft cushion. So, dito malambot siya. And then it's wireless. So, of course, wireless needs Bluetooth, and of course when needs Bluetooth, so you have to charge it. Okay, so hold on. So okay, I will show you the specific specifications for this product. Yan, so hindi siya hindi siya totally clear kasi maliit ng sobrang liit. So ayan. Maganda ito siya, guys. So yung battery niya is 500, 2,000, 50, 20, 30, Li-ion 200 mAh each. Mega ampere. Ayan, so buksan natin para makita natin. So ayan, so andito sa lahat ng kanyang tenga. So ayan, so let's see yung sa loob niya. So sampulan natin kasi hindi ito sa akin eh. This is not mine. So this is from Bubuet. So let's open this and i-open natin siya at i-connect. So andito kami ngayon sa room. So ayan, nagtatamad-tamaran siya. Sobrang itim niya. Ayan, so eto na yung sa loob niya. So aside from being adjustable, is ganito siya. So foldable din siya. So pwede nyo siyang i-fold. So ganito siya kapag hindi nyo na-i-fold. Pero kung gusto nyo i-fold, so space saver siya para sa bag ninyo. Para sa bag niya. So ayan. Inside, meron siyang manual. And of course, meron siyang isang charger. Ayan. Okay guys, so let's turn on. Try natin. So here, ito yung on-off button niya. Can I borrow your phone? Let's connect your headset. Ayan. So, i-connect natin dito sa ano ni Bubuet. Hold on. Mommy will try so that you can try before our flight, okay? I think it's low, but duh. Ayan. Hold on. Mommy need to check. We'll see if the Bluetooth is working. I don't know how to connect it. So, ayan. So, kailangan ko pang hanapin saan yung kanyang connection sa Bluetooth. Okay guys, ayan, may paa, dalawa. Let's connect. So, connect the Bluetooth. Ayan, so this is the name of the Bluetooth. 4391 SoundLogic ANC headphones. Ayan, let's connect. It's connected! Hurrah! Now, eto siya. So, adjustable siya dito. Ayan. Sit down, chats. Sit down. Mommy will sample. You can play your game. Sit down first. Mommy will check in your head. Ayan. So, let's put this one here. Diba? Perfect. Perfect! So, he can watch. So, ayan. Maganda siya. Mas lalo siyang bingi kapag nakakonect yan. So, binili namin yan for the airplane kasi may travel kami next end of July. Next end of July. This end of month. So, travel kami, kaya binilhan ko siya ng ganun. Ayan. Ang ganda. So, pang kids siya. Siya yung pumili niyan. Okay, guys. I think it's worth it for €20. So, hindi na siya masama.